So not only does the jump board aid you in working the ankle, the foot, landing correctly in the knee, not twisting in the knees, not locking back in, but this action of pulling it up, when you're bending your knees and your abdominals are pulled in, I can adjust my weight, forward, back, I'm ready to go. There you go, and come back in. Feel that? You're coming, don't worry about the feet, they'll take care of themselves. You want to think from the top of your inner thighs, right? And again, press it. Nice, and press it. Good, and one more, press it. And up to the tips of your toes. And then you come back, heels together. And now you're going to jump for it. Press out long. Push out 1. Good. Push it out 2. Stay in the center. Press out 3. Relax your right shoulder. 4. The right breast. Drop it down. There you go. That's it. Press it. Good.